Hello, today we are going to discuss about the skill of questioning. Questions are very important part of our life as well as they are very important in our classrooms. We tend to ask a wide range of questions to fetch certain responses from our students. So let us practice the skill of probing questions today. The examples of the first component, that is prompting, are: suppose a teacher asks the question, what are the functions of municipality in a class? So if the students are unable to give the responses, then here we have to prompt our students. So further, a prompting question is put up: who supplies water to your city? And ultimately the students are going to respond to this question. The next component, seeking further information. Suppose we put up a question, what are the functions of municipality? And the students' answer to this question is to supply water to the whole city. So here we can put up further more question to seek more information from the students and to check whether they know about this particular thing. That is, what are the other functions? Next component is redirecting. Suppose there is a question, what are the characteristics of oxygen? And there is no response from the student side. So here we need to redirect this question to the other students of the class so as to fetch response to this particular question. And while redirecting, the teacher asks the questions from the other student, what are the characteristics of oxygen? So here in this situation, another student is able to answer this particular question. The next component is refocusing. The question here is, do gases dissolve in water? And the student replies yes. So from this response, I am not able to exactly know about student's knowledge. So here I need to reframe the question and refocus on the component involved in this particular question. So here the teacher asks, name any gas which demonstrates that gases dissolve in water. So this is the attempt to refocus on this particular question, and now we are going to get an elaborate response from the students. Next component of this skill is increasing critical awareness, and here we want our students to think critically about the concept in focus. So here this particular question, how oxygen helps in burning, this question is raised to create the critical awareness of the students, so they are going to analyze and think critically about this particular question. Here in front of you there is a sample micro lesson plan for the skill of probing questions. The first column comprises of the teacher activity, the second column is about pupil activity or pupil responses, and the third column represents the component of the probing questioning skill which is involved in that particular question here.